Yeah, take me.
Come on.
Mommy, I think I woke a snake up.
You woke up a snake. Oh my goodness.
I ate the snake. It makes sound.
Oh goodness. Let's keep moving then. We're way ahead of everybody.
Yeah, those guys are slowpoke.
They are slow pokes. Love the outdoors. Waiting for the rest of the gang. My oldest took off on his bike.
Mommy, I need a hug.
You need a hug.
Yes.
Of course you can have a hug. Love you.
Go, Abby, go.
One and two. Okay. Okay. Bring me home. Where to? All right. Oh. Oh, I think I found two more coming. There they are. Here comes this guy running back. Open the top of the bag.
Oh, wait, I heard a bee.
You heard a bee. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Oh, there they are. It's a griffin. Why do you have this blue thing?
All right. See if they've caught up enough. There they are. There's Nana and the baby. Hi, baby.
There you go.
All right, let's go this way. Here. Want to take her? All right. Come on, Hunter, this way. Continue on our adventure.
Oh,
Siren Head. Oh my gosh, no.
not Siren. Siren is evil.
He's evil.
No,
Oh my
wait.
gosh. They coming? Okay. Yeah, buddy. You got a bear. Oh my goodness, I can't even talk. A bow and arrow. So beautiful through here. let's go this way. This way. What you doing? All right, okay, let's go this way. Here we go. I guess my oldest is having so much fun riding his bike through the trails. He has waited so long to do it. And it's so good going out in nature for your mental health, soaking in all the vitamin D. These guys are slow. Little legs. Kenz, do you want your book back? You want to put it in the bag? All right. I'll head back over to her. Let her put her map of the trails all through here. Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you for not shooting. Oh, thank you. You can put the wipes back in too.
Kenzie, put your hands up.
Hold on. She's putting stuff in the bag.
1 minute. You have to wait. A minute.
He's waiting. You got it all in, baby girl?
Yeah, what is that blue thing in your bag though?
Oh, it's a tarp. So that way we can sit on it.
Okay, you
All
can
right.
put it down.
Oops.
Okay.
All right, let's go. Good thing about having Nana with us is that I can walk ahead a little more and not worry about the kids as much. Still check in every few minutes though. Look at this. This is so cool. Bikes. Oh, I heard him. I hear you. I hear you. There he is. How was that?
That was fun.
Yeah, good.
Guess what I just seen?
What?
Is that a video?
Yeah.
Is that a video call?
No, it's a video.
I see.
Making a video of our adventures through the trails.
I just got a little scared of me. And you won't guess what I just seen.
What did you see?
A baby snake.
Ew.
I know.
Gross.
It was so cute. It was so harmless.
I don't like
Guys,
snakes.
this is what I just seen. A baby snake. I want to see it. All right, come. I'll see if I can find it again. Really? I did. It was a baby. Don't worry.
He was gone all the way over there, Mom.
Put your hands up. I'm scared.
I don't know.
of the
He
trail.
was out in the trails. He just got back.
Yeah. I'm over here.
I am Jackson.
Heads up.
Just keep going. I am terrified of snakes. It's one of my big fears.
Come on, Abby.
Look how beautiful it is through here. It's such a beautiful day. Oh, I love it so much. My goal for this summer is to take the kids to as many hiking trails as possible and see how many we can get done this summer. We're gonna go over to Algonquin Park. I'm gonna try out some of those trails. I used to do those trails all the time as a kid, and they were my favorite. Did them every year as a kid, all of them, over at the Algonquin Park area. Oh, there's houses over there. Didn't even know that. Look at this. A little bridge down there. Like, it's just so beautiful. Getting out in the vitamin D is so important. So good for your mental health and your overall health. Go check on these guys. He's trying to find that baby snake. I'll be A-okay if he does not find it.
I found it and I scared it over to here.
That's fine, it can stay there.
Okay, come on, honey. And then I lost it.
That's okay.
But it was about
There's
that
more people
long.
on the
It was
trail.
like that long.
That long?
Yeah,
Wow.
That's short.
This little guy, eh? Going on the bridge. Watch, there's people coming up there, buddy. So
Watch
just,
out so I can go across the bridge.
please.
Please. Hi.
Good manners, thank you. Stay to the side for the people, okay, please? Just go, it's okay. Look how beautiful. I'm so in love with nature. The older I get, the more I appreciate it. These guys are taking forever. Hokey smoke. All right. Hi.
Thank you.
All right. And the creek fills up sometimes. Oh, whole crew of people up here. Oh, there's Nana and the baby. Nana likes staying with the baby. She doesn't move as fast anymore. She got bad hips. I think I might start recording more of my adventures on all my hiking trails. What do you think? Think I should start recording more? It's so much fun going through here all the time. See what these guys found. What'd you guys find? An arrow. Okay.
Kenzie, leave me alone. I hate you.
Oh, siblings.
What is that music?
Look it. This one says Stinky.
Like Abby.
Yes. Poor Abby girl. Are you old? Hey, Abby.
This one's Stinky.
All right.
Mommy, cut to the Stinky one.
Hold on, baby. Hold on. We gotta wait for Nana and baby.
No. I'm not waiting for Nana.
Okay. And like for part 2.